Okay, we're resuming this paper 11 of June 20. Okay, look at this question number 7. This is from trigonometry. This is a straightforward question. You can't have an easier question than this. So you take the LCM straight away. This is cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. This is 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. And then you have plus uh, you have plus cos square theta. Okay, so you see this is a square, this is 1 plus 2 sine theta. Why I'm writing cos theta? Okay, 2 sine theta plus sine square theta, and then plus this cos square theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. Okay, guys, these two, they come together, they become 1, and there is already a 1 over here. So we have 2 plus 2 sine theta over cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. So this is 2 into 1 plus sine theta over cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. This is cancelled by this, and we have 2 over cos theta. That is the right hand side. We had to show this. Okay. Then we move on to the B part. Okay. Okay, B part. It says, hence solve this equation. This hence is always a clue for you. You have to solve this equation. So we are going to use the previous parts working. We have shown that all of this is basically 2 over cos theta. So let's do that. Let's use that working here. So that is 2 over cos theta. Just remember that. So 2 over cos theta, that is equal to 3 over sine theta. That is equal to 3 over sine theta. Okay. I know to solve this from 0 to 2 pi. A simple trigonometric equation. I do that cross multiplication. Sine theta 2 sine theta is equal to 3 cos theta. So divide both the sides by cos theta. We have 2 tan theta equal to 3. So tan theta is equal to 3 over 2. Tan is positive in these two quadrants. But so can you please, in the radians, can you find tan inverse of 3 over 2? Hmm. Radians. Yeah. 0.9? 0.983. 0.983. 0.983. So your theta is 0.983. Can you tell me what is pi plus this? 4.12. So these are the two values of two solutions of this equation. Okay? Let's move to the next question. Uh, that is question number 8. Okay, look at this question. It says in the diagram ABC is a semicircle with diameter AC, center O and radius 6. The length of arc AB is 15. The point X lies on AC, okay, and BX is perpendicular to AX. Find the perimeter of the shaded region BXC. Where to find the perimeter of this shaded region, okay? So obviously you will be needing this length, let me call this length A, this length B, and this arc length S over here. So this perimeter is basically going to be A plus B plus this arc length. So if we are able to find these values, it means that we're going to get the perimeter. So I'll be using this arc length here to determine that what is the angle over here. Can I say that S equal to R theta? So this theta is going to be 15 over 6. That is 2.5. So this is 2.5. So this angle is going to be pi minus 2.5. Okay? Now we know that if this is 6, this is going to be 6 as well. So first of all, I'll be finding this B as B is going to be 6 sine pi minus 2.5. And you know that this is same as 6 sine 2.5. I'm not going to, don't calculate this right now, okay? So I'm going to put this value here. This is going to be, and this A is going to be, all of this OC is, you know that this is 6, right? And this OX is going to be 6 cos pi minus 2.5. Enough? So we are done with this. And this arc length is going to be r theta 6 into pi minus 2.5. Now you use your calculator and tell me, I'm writing this, you write all of this in your calculator. This is 6 minus 6 cos pi minus 2.5 plus 6 sine 2.5 plus 6 into pi minus 2.5. Write all of this at once in your calculator and tell me what is the perimeter. So this is 8.63 centimeters. Okay, bachcho? So this is how you find this. I believe this was not a difficult question, है ना? Okay. We move on to question number 9. Okay. It says this is your y, so we need to have dy by dx. Just to save some space, I'm going to do it like this. This is 3 into 3 minus 2x squared into minus 2 plus 24. A little bit of simplification. This is going to be minus 6 into 3 minus 2x whole square plus 24. Then we have to find d2y by dx squared. So that will be minus 12 into 3 minus 2x into minus 2. That is 24 into 3 minus 2x. These are the first, the second derivatives of the given y. Okay. Next it says, find the coordinates of each of the stationary points on the curve. Okay. The and in the last part is asking to determine the nature. Okay. So he's asking for the full-fledged coordinates of the stationary point. So you need to have both x and y. So for this B part, I'll be putting I'll put this dy by dx equal to 0. This will give me this 3 minus, I'm skipping some steps here, that is going to be equal to 4. So this 3 minus 2x is going to be plus minus 2. So you have 3 minus 2x equal to 2. You have 3 minus 2x equal to minus 2. So you have 2x equal to 1, x equal to half. You have 2x equal to 5 and x equal to 5 by 2. These are the x coordinates of the stationary points. Now, please, in your calculators, let me write them as decimals so that you can find the y coordinates quickly. Okay. Now, please tell me when you put this back into it. So, at x equal to 0.5, what is your y? 3 minus 1 is going to be 8. 8 plus 12 is going to be 20. This is 20. So one of the point is 0.5 comma 20. And at x equal to 2.5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 minus 8. And 48 plus 12 is 60. That is 52. 52 है ना? This is going to be 52. So you have y equal to 52. So the other point is going to be 2.5 comma 52. And in the very last part it says determine the nature. I think you should be asking for the nature, yeah. Determine the nature of each of the stationary points. So for that, you just put your, like the last part, I'm doing the last part here, the last part here. So at x equal to 0.5, your second derivative, that is going to be, here is your second derivative. So you see that this is going to be positive, that is 24, which is positive. Therefore, this one is the minimum point. है ना? And at 2.5, you have this as negative. है ना? At x equal to 2.5, your second derivative is minus 5, minus 2, and minus 48, which is negative. That means this point is the maximum point. ठीक है बच्चों? Okay, I'm going a bit fast. If you have any question, you have to let me know. ठीक है? Question number 10. The coordinates of the points A and B are this and this. Find the equation of the circle C for which AB is a diameter. So, you know, the equation of a circle is like this. X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square, that is equal to R square. So this A comma B is the center. So if I show you that circle over here, the circle is like this, and you have the diameter like this here. So this means here is a point A, which is minus 1, minus 2, and here is a point B, which is 7, comma 4. So finding the center is quite easy. That is the midpoint of these 2 points A and B, है ना? So this would be the center of the circle is going to be minus 1 plus 7. I think we should show the working. Minus 1 plus 7 over 2, comma, minus 2 plus 4 over 2. So this is going to be 3, comma 1. है ना? This is 3, comma 1. That is the center. Let me call this as O. And now you find the distance OA. That will be the radius. Okay, there is a square root of 3 plus 1 is 4 square, and then you have 3 square, so that is equal to 5. Therefore the required equation is going to be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 25. That is the equation of the circle. Let me check the answer. Question number 10. X minus 3, y minus 1. ठीक है, this is perfectly all right. Okay, now the next part, B part. It says, find the equation of the tangent T to the circle at the point B. Oh, so we have a tangent at the point B. Like this. So this looks like a tangent, okay? Tangent the point B. So tangent is clearly a line. You need to have the gradient and a point. So if you have the gradient of AB or OB, its negative reciprocal will give you the gradient of the tangent. And this is your tangent T over here. So what is the gradient of this AB? Can you find that quickly? क्यों भाई? M of OB, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is 3 over 4. Now M of the T, that is minus 4 over 3. So equation of T, that is y minus 4, that is minus 4 over 3 into x minus 7. That's it. I don't need to simplify this. It's not asking us to write the equation in a specific form here. So we can leave this up to this part. Okay? Acha. Next, we have the last part. It says, find the equation of the circle, which is the reflection of the circle in the line T, which is the reflection of the circle in the line T. So that means the other circle would be on this side like this, kind of a circle here, and so if I just extend this and I call this point, let me call this point C over here. Can we say that this B is the midpoint of O and C? Because it is the line of reflection, Anna, and both of them will have the same radius. Anna, the radius will be same because he's testing your reflection knowledge. Okay, na? So if I call this point as let's say P comma Q, so we can say that P plus 3 over 2 comma Q plus 1 over 2 is going to be 7 comma 4. Hai. So you can have P and Q. So this P plus 3 equal to 14, P is equal to 11. And Q plus 1 equal to 8, and your Q is going to be 7. Therefore, the equation of the other circle is going to be x minus 11 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square equal to 25. And let me check the answer. Uh, Here is the, this is the equation, minus 11 minus 7. Okay, so that was it from this question number 10, I think. Okay, so we move to the question number 11. Okay, question number 11. The diagram shows part of the curve y is equal to 8 over x plus 2 and the line 2y plus x equal to 8 intersecting at the points A and B. The point C lies on the curve and the tangent to the curve at C is parallel to AB. Okay, so if you have a tangent over here, that might look like this. So this tangent is parallel to AB. So that means the gradient of AB and this tangent, they are same. So let me write this in the slope intercept form. This is 2y is equal to minus x plus 8 and your y is equal to minus half x plus 4. Okay. So that is for the point C. So it's a big long question. Let me find the point A first of all. What is the point A, bacho? If I put x0 in it, this point A is going to be 0 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4 because this is on this line AB. Next, you solve these two equations simultaneously. This is minus x over x plus 8 over 2. That is going to be 8 over x plus 2. I'm solving this equation and this equation simultaneously. So we have minus x square minus 2x plus 8x plus 16 equal to 16. Okay? So 16 cancel with the 16. You have minus x squared plus 6x equal to 0. Minus x is common. This is x minus 6 equal to 0. It is x equal to 0 or x equal to 6. It means this 0 is for this point A and this is going to be 6 comma something. Okay. So now let's put this 6 into this equation then. So your y is going to be minus 3 plus 4. So y coordinate is going to be 1. That is how you find this point B. Now, finding this point C is really tedious. You will have to differentiate this equation of the curve and you will put the gradient equal to this minus half. This minus half. Let's do that. So this y is, let me write it first of all like this, because otherwise I cannot differentiate it. I have to move the denominator to the numerator. Now we have dy by dx minus 8 into x plus 2 raised to power minus 2 into 1. This is minus 8 over x plus 2 whole square And let me put that equal to minus half, because this tangent is parallel to the line AB, so I'm putting the gradients equal to each other. So guys, we have x plus 2 whole square equal to 16. So x plus 2 is equal to plus minus 4. So x plus 2 is equal to 4, x plus 2 equal to minus 4. X is equal to 2 and x equal to minus 6. Obviously, we don't need this answer because this is giving you the negative value. This one is the right answer here, okay? X equal to 2. You put this back into this equation, you will have y equal to 8 over 4, that is 2. So this point C is going to be 2 comma 2. Point C is 2 comma 2. Okay, remember these points, bachcho ke likh lo, because for the second part you will be needing this. Okay, it says find the volume generated when the shaded region is rotated, bounded to the curve, and the line is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. About the x-axis. Chale, I'm going to go back to the diagram. Okay, so I have to find this volume. Okay, I'm going to erase all the unnecessary things here that I don't need. I'll keep these points here. I'm going to cover all of this. We have the equations with us. We have the points. We don't need this. Okay, chaliye. So we have to find the volume, बच्चों. So for the volume, guys, ध्यान करना जरा. अब जरा आपकी, I need your attention now. Okay, so the volume generated, I need to draw a line here. Okay, so we have 6 over here, ठीक है ना? So the volume generated by rotating the region which is like this. Let me color this like this. This will be the volume generated when you rotate this line, the region under this line, which is I'm shading pink, about the x-axis, minus the region, the volume that you obtain by rotating the region under the curve. This is the story over here. Okay? Yes, madam. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Absolutely, it is like if you had to find the shaded area, so the area under the line minus area under the curve wala situation. So here you have to do the same thing. Okay, na? Okay, bacho. So remember the formula for the volume when you rotate anything about the x-axis is pi limit from a to b y square dx. It is pi y square dx. So let's first of all write this as y is equal to 8 minus x over 2. Let me write it like this. Okay? And its square would be, y square is going to be 8 minus x whole square over 4. Okay? That is one thing. And the second equation, it is y is equal to, it is already y, so I'm just going to square that. 8 square over x plus 2 whole square. So I can write it as 64 into x plus 2 raised to power minus 2. Now what happens? You people know all the formulas of finding the area and the volume. But at this stage, unfortunately, some of the students expand the square there in the denominator. You cannot integrate the expressions which are there in the denominator. So you have to know that what technique has to be used to integrate appropriately. Acha, bachcho, so I'm going to write that line here and then you will be finding the volume yourself. This is going to be pi limit from 0 to 6. Okay? And you have 8 minus x whole square over 4. I'm writing this 4 here. Minus limit from 0 to 6, and you have 64 into, and there is pi has to be there. Pi has to be there. Okay, so this is 64 pi. Okay, and this is x plus 2 raised to power minus 2 dx. Okay, so we have pi by 4 into its integral is going to be 8 minus x whole cube over 3 into minus 1 minus 64 pi, and this is going to be x plus 2 raised to power minus 1 over minus 1 into 1. Okay, so this is going to be uh, minus pi by 12. I'm writing this minus 3 outside here. Okay, and I'm left with 8 minus x whole cube, and there is a limit from 0 to 6. Limit from 0 to 6. And I'm bringing this minus out here. This will become plus 64 pi, and this is 1 over x plus 2, limit from 0 to 6. Okay, bachcho? So let's apply the limits onto it and get to the answer. So after we put the limits up here, so you get the answer as 18 pi. And this ends the paper here. Thank you very much guys for staying with us. Allah Hafiz.